Vinaka, my name is Motikiai Murray. I started my rugby career when I was 9 years old. I grew up in Levuka, started my career in Levuka. I went to Levuka Public Primary School. Being part at the Mailokachi till class 8, and went to RKS at year 10. Unfortunately, we didn't play for the under 18 because of the COVID, and stayed out of school. Went for the Fiji under 20 to Oceania last year, and joined the Fiji Warriors and to the Pacific Combine before I called up in the Fiji Drua development. Being part of the Fijian Drua team is what I wasn't expecting, because I was looking for France contract, but I was more happier than before when I had received the Drua contract, because I was willing to play for Fiji, even though it's Drua or the Flying Fijian, but I'm willing to play for Fiji.
Quite some time.
Yeah, for me personally, it's a good experience, and atmosphere here is very good. Being around the boys that we always watch them on TV, like example Melinda Nalangi, Kichan Salawa. It's a big motivation to me to train with them and play with them. For me, my motivation is my family at home, because without them, I think I wouldn't make it this far, because they all push me to go for your dream.
What were some of the challenges you faced along the way?
The challenges for me is the heat here in Nandi is very hot and very not good, but I managed to went over it. Yeah, it's good. Training is very hard. It's not easy for me. I thought coming through the professional rugby level would be an easy journey, but nah, it wasn't, because training is very hard. Dealing with the environment. For me personally, my target is to play all the games, all the Drua games. For me, I'm from Nassau Matua Lovoni, Lomeviti. Vaso e nukuni dake oni lau. Just one advice: nothing is impossible. Venak.